Good morning. Welcome to this update on BTC. So we saw a bit of a pump on Bitcoin, and this accumulation we actually saw all the way down from 86,800. This is a typical accumulation model, and then what we had is we did see some rejections here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a lot of people thought it was a fake out, but it wasn't really a fake out. So if we have a look at these anchored VWAPs, you're going to see things a lot different. So we had rejection first at this anchored VWAP here, which is at 91,666, and then we broke through it but came back into it. Then we had rejection at the second anchored VWAP, which was on the 10th of December. But what I noticed, and what my community noticed, and what I taught them, is this is not a distribution. It's a failed distribution, but it's not a full-on distribution. When we have been in this range, there's been a lot of accumulation in the spot market and the futures market. And we can see that on dynamic order flow. So every time we would come back down, these were demands. You have it here, you have it there, you have it there, and you have it there. Now we're above this VWAP. So we're going to go into supply zone, which is sitting around about 95,300, 96, and 97. So anybody who accumulated in this zone is sitting on some good profit. So you can learn a lot about these anchored VWAPs. You know, they are very, very powerful. But we also saw that there was heavy accumulation on Saturday morning, Friday as well. So let's just have a look where Saturday is. Actually, what we'll do, we'll go to 1 hour time frame. Is what you want to be doing is you want to identify what accumulation is, so you can get into a long entry. And a lot of people were trying to short this. That was quite silly. You want to short the tops, not the bottoms. So yeah, clear accumulation here, very good accumulation here, a fantastic buyback here. That's 31st. Okay, yeah, that's the Friday buyback. So that Friday buyback here was pretty good, and then we saw an explosion move up, which a lot of people said it's down to Trump going into that country. It's got, if that's what you want to believe, go ahead. I believe what I see prior to that, which was accumulation models, meaning that they're going to send the price up. So, and that's where we are currently right now. We have back tested the anchored VWAP. So just taken on a long position. We have been scalping these ranges, guys. I mean, there was a lot of money to be made here. You know, we had long shorts, sometimes hedged. And now it's shorted the top here. So I'm actually in a short from here, which I've taken 50%, and I've just entered along here, because that's a clean buyback. And so we might see higher prices. Where to? I mean, we may see 95 to 97, and the reason being is not only are there spot selling orders there, but there's also naked point of control as well. Now, when we do have, let me put this in a different way for you guys to understand this. When we do have, like, say, a sell box, so let's say that's your sell box, and we can see that on order flow. Yeah, this usually means that big players or whales want to sell here, but in order to sell here, you need to send the price up even higher. You're not going to just get rejected here. We could get rejected at the naked point of control, which is sitting around about here as well, which I'll show you in a second. But usually when spot wants to sell, you're going to send the price a lot higher. So there's a possibility we can hit 98 and 97. It really hasn't got anything to do with the EMA and this and that. It's pure order flow. I mean, you realistically want to study order flow, and it can really tell you everything what's going on. So like I said, I am in a long position at the moment, and we're probably going to take out this high, and we probably are going to take out the naked point of control as well. So we have a naked point of control sitting at 92,500, and we also have the two above us as well. And yes, we do have some below us as well, but we want to hold this PDEQ level. We're just approaching daily open. I hope we don't get rejected. Flip that, we're coming higher. Flip PD high, which is yesterday's high, we're coming a lot higher. It's very easy to understand. Yeah, so I will be looking for a short position, another short position, which will be somewhere here, which will be in my Telegram community. I'm also starting a new Discord, which will be launched next week, and the first 100 people are going to get this Discord membership for 6 months free of charge. Otherwise, there is a charge for it. In the Discord, I give you education, I give you advanced videos, like before a move happens. I'm going to give you an example right now. So this is what the Discord looks like. It's not live at the moment, guys. It will be live next week. I'm going to show you how to join this Discord free. You can see the setup was given actually on the 31st, New Year's Eve. It was actually given well ahead of time. Also a hedged position as well. Yeah, that's a hedged position, short. But the more importantly, it was reconfirmed on the 30th as well. Sorry, on the 3rd, where I did a private stream. And this private stream was for the existing Telegram members who are going to be migrated to Discord. So I'm going to show you the video that I put up on the private group, which is in Telegram, but I also did a stream as well, and then I did a reconfirmation. Just going to play it very quickly from this anchored VWAP, but I don't think the market maker really expected that, or the market makers, should I say, because this price action here, or this structure, gives us a lot of information. So we take information and then we cross-reference this information with some special order flow software that I've been building on top of Atos, which is going to be coming out this year, webinars, training. I also have AI Assist built in there. There are some videos coming out on this. It's been in development for quite a while. So what we saw a pure accumulation. This software will actually see every data feed possible, including spot, blockchain, on-chain, etc. More information on that later. The point of this video is I told the community to go long aggressively, and I'm just going to get to the part of the video which shows accumulation. And if we do break through that, here we go. This is accumulation. This here, which is is built inside Atos that I built, shows accumulation. Everybody was saying it's distribution. Everyone was bearish. I was never bearish. I was accumulating on spot, and I was taking future trades. And these are not only to scalp trades, these are also position trades. So the market makers can fool you. They can trick you. But you need to understand how market structure works and to make money into this asset, or any crypto asset, or any other type of asset. So coming back to the Discord, this has all been copied from Telegram. There were scalps. Every trade played out, and there was an update yesterday as well, and each of these trades played out, each of them. Yeah. So you can see the long is playing out. The long is playing out. Still no short, guys. I'm giving live updates. You will get live updates in this community. It's probably the only community or Discord that I think that's going to be able to give you live updates. also, you're also going to have AI assist in here. So AI assist is basically AI thinking exactly how I think. So I'm a programmer. Do you understand? So in this VIP group, we'll have AI assist on the bottom, where AI is giving you direct feeds on scalping Bitcoin. So, you know, like for example, if I go to the TA section and I'm typing something out, by the time you've read it, the move has already started. Do you understand? So what I thought to help you guys out, or the community in this Discord, is let me build some AI feeds. So that's what we're testing right now. Latency, how fast I can get that communication to you. Do you understand? Because I know a lot of people get frustrated. Oh, I missed the move. I did this. I did that. Yes, there's going to be prior setups, like I've just shown you. And coming back to, you know, like the chart itself, all of these were longs. Yeah, I took every single one on various different exchanges. We'll come to the exchanges in a second. And more importantly is the education. Do not short here. Short, long. So when you take a short here, we're long here. We're long all the way down. But by this time, you've already cut the trade here. And this is what you're going to learn in that Discord. There's also going to be a new webinar, but the webinar will not be done live because some people don't attend the webinar. So I'm actually in the process of recording a webinar right now, which is going to be free for you guys. Yeah. You can make a lot of money. There's a lot of money to be made in 2026. You're going to need the right exchange as well. And that's what we're going to talk about now. So we're going to look at the exchanges now, which could benefit you. I don't make a lot of money from these exchanges. Let's get that straight. Yeah, only it helps me out with some of the fees, but I don't really make. So I had to think to myself, what exchanges am I going to work with? Because I was only looking for 3 or 4. It's not about the benefits you get from the exchanges. Like each of these exchanges that are listed here have their own benefits. Yeah, we're going to start with the newest exchange, which is TOOBIT. They're doing a fantastic offer. Register, you get $50 just for registering. Deposit $100, get a $30 bonus. So you got some deposit bonuses there, and you also got some trading bonus as well. Why do I like TOOBIT? I'll tell you why I like TOOBIT, because we're going to do a separate video on each exchange that's coming out either today or tomorrow. The benefits, because I believe you're going to need more than one exchanges to make money in this market. They have a special feature in this exchange, and that video is coming out. So the link to TOOBIT is in the description below. Okay, so using my link, you're going to get trading bonus, free $50, and also deposit bonus. I've used this exchange. I've been using it for the last 3 or 4 days. I didn't want to make a video until I tested it properly. There are some trading bots on there as well. We're going to cover those later on this year. So you're going to need this link, so I'll explain at the end of the video. Second exchange is KCEX. Okay, so so they are doing a trading deposit and trade volume bonus. The KCEX is very good for scalping. For example, if you want to keep your fees low and you want to scalp short, long, scalping, you know, day trading, KCEX is very, very, very good. Very good. So we've done a deal with them. I used KCEX for a while, so I think everyone doesn't really have any bad things to talk about KCEX. The third exchange is KUCOIN. You can trade to win $1,200. This exchange has been around for God knows how many bull and bear markets. They're like one of the old OGs. Now KUCOIN is going to be sponsoring a indicator. So we have a PMX indicator, which there's a separate video coming out for that indicator. Yeah, so how that indicator can actually benefit you. For the guys who don't want to do order flow and just want to rely on an indicator, I built an AI indicator. Well, KUCOIN is giving you that indicator free. Yeah, all you have to do is deposit $400, $500. Sorry, I think it's 400. No, my apologies, is $500. Trade with it, and you get the indicator free. So the indicator itself is $500. So the KUCOIN is paying you to just deposit $500, trade on their exchange, yeah, and you'll get the indicator free. Okay. They're also sponsoring a webinar, but that will be in about a week and a half's time. But that will be a recorded webinar, because what I noticed in the last webinars, half people turn up, and the other half ask me afterwards, can I have a recording of the webinar? So I decided, okay, well, there's new products I'm releasing, software side and indicator sides and strategies. I'm just going to put in a brand new webinar, which I'm recording this week. And KUCOIN is sponsoring that as well. So shout out to KUCOIN. And then we have MEXC. MEXC is basically giving out a sign up and bonus. So deposit $100 and you get a deposit bonus for $50, which is not bad. MEXC has been around for a very, very long time. It's a good exchange for the Europeans. Okay, so it's a non-KYC exchange as well. So TOOBIT, coming back to TOOBIT, this is non-KYC. You can use it in America, Canada, and the UK. So there's a for good solution there for especially for the UK people and the American market. And then we're going to come to the main exchange, which is my main sponsor of the whole project, and they do things slightly different. Yeah, so this is BYDFI. So they've got the highest deposit bonus, deposit 1,200 bonus, but they also give you access to a signals channel. Now, signals channel is done by a team of traders, okay, for altcoins, Bitcoin, etc. It's currently working on Telegram. We've had a lot of sign-ups on there and some happy people. Their fees are very low as well. It's non-KYC. Good thing is, you can US, Canada people can use this, but UK cannot. So I'm going to repeat that. UK cannot use this exchange. Okay, we are finding a solution for this. Now, each exchange has its own benefits. And that's the video I'm going to release next. Why each exchange has its own benefits and why I use all 5 exchanges, not just one. And if you want to sign up to BYDFI, there is a video, there is a link in the description. There's a link in the description for all of the exchanges. Take advantage. It's for January only. There is a separate video coming out for a group video for all the exchanges, what I use them for. That's coming out either today or tomorrow. And then there's some separate videos coming out with some of these exchanges and why you want to be using them. We're going to cover things like liquidity, regulation, MiCA regulation, various things. So those are the 5 exchanges I'm working with, but every exchange has approached me. So it was very easy for me to list all the exchanges, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to let you guys in the community make a decision on which ones I should keep and which ones I should let go. But I won't be listing any more exchanges. But each of these 5 exchanges have their own perks, and we're going to do a detailed video to explain what those perks are. Yeah, it's not only just deposit bonuses and fees and this and that. Each exchange is very different, and if you want to make money this year, you're only going to need these exchanges and my Discord, nothing else, because education is free. Yeah. So we'll be showing the trades that I've taken, in the next video. But I just thought I'll get this brand new video out there. My first video for 2026. We've got a lot of things coming in 2026. We have AI software that can actually talk to you and predict where price is going to go. So you want to sign up to these exchanges and grab those bonuses now, because I can't promise if those bonuses are going to be there next year. Anyway, that's enough of my advertising these exchanges. Let's get back to the TA. So we can see that we are approaching daily open. We really want to flip this, to support. I do see higher prices because we came so close to this naked point of control. We have a sell box here. I call it a kill box. Kill box basically means you want to see what price does there. Yeah. But we also must talk about what happens if we lose this level. Well, then we're coming down to fill the inefficiencies. We have inefficiencies in these areas. We have a naked point of control below us. We also have the next support, which is going to be PD low. If you lose PD low, the final support, write this down, is going to be 90,000. Let's just say 90,500. If you lose that, we're going back into the 80s. I hope that doesn't happen because I'm long at the moment. Okay, so it has nothing to do with the news or anything. Prices, it has nothing to do with that, guys. There's a clear accumulation models that were happening in this range. Everybody was so bored of this range. You know what? You guys don't know what you're doing. You're influencers. How can you not make money in this range? This is beautiful. And people were complaining. I mean, are you mad? That's all I have for you guys. Okay, so do remember, links for those exchanges are in the description below. You will have to join one of those exchanges to get free access to my Discord. Otherwise, it's $200 a month. Okay, we have AI assistant there, live streaming, and we're just integrating streaming through TikTok and Twitch as well. That's why that's what I'm doing this week. And there's some more videos coming out why I picked those 5 exchanges from every other exchange. I've had every other exchange approach me trying to pay me. Yeah, I don't get paid from these exchanges. I only get small amount of fees. Nothing. It doesn't affect my business, because I'm a developer and a trader and trying to be an influencer. Don't know how that's working out for me. But we have a lot of content coming out this year, educational content, and the links are in the description below. Discord should be active next week. So you want to join up one of those exchanges. If you want the free indicator, PMX indicator, which is listed on WAP below, and you want it free, you need to deposit $500 into KUCOIN, trade with it, send me your UID. You can send that to me on Telegram. You can send that to me on X, yeah, and I'll make sure you have that indicator free. And let's just cover that indicator very quickly. So this indicator was saying that the price of Bitcoin on the 5th of January would get over here. You can see there's a trade set up already. Let's have a look at the 5th. As you can see, it did that already. Yeah, so it did that, and as the price got to that level, it changes as well. So it can show you that close the trade there and take a short trade, and then it did some more indication. There is a video on PMX that's coming out, and because we've been recording videos since the last 2 months, so this indicator is actually free. If you have a KUCOIN account, send me a UID, and I just switched it on right now. And I'll speak to the other exchanges for the people who can't get a KUCOIN account because it's KYC. I will speak to the other exchanges, see if they want to sponsor this as well. Okay, but at the moment it's only with KUCOIN at the moment. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Like, subscribe, and check out TikTok when it comes out. Discord coming out in a week's time, and some crazy videos which I'm editing now. Yeah, I've been working behind the scenes in December, and I've got some really good content for you guys coming out, and education coming out very soon. Take care, guys.